Wow, what a beautiful landing effect poster of yours. Teach me, please.
Alright, I will show you. Let's fill in a red background. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select the rectangular marquee. Pull a gradient from deep to shallow. Open the text. Adjust perspective and reveal to the proper position. Draw rectangles in the direction of the text. Use the direct selection tool to adjust anchor point to proper position. Adjust the other ones separately in the same way. Select a section. Pull a gradient from gray to white. Adjust the transparency properly. Then, select the bottom shape. Add a shadow. Draw a rectangle. Type the words. Adjust perspective and bevel to proper position. That will be great. Is it easy? Have you got it?